In this video, we're going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT to create high quality mockups for your ebooks. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. I have this ebook cover in Canva. I'm simply going to download it, then go to ChatGPT and click the plus icon to the left of the prompt box. Then I'm going to select add photos and files, then upload the ebook cover. Now I'm going to type, please can you create a high quality mockup for my ebook? Here is the cover. Within seconds, it has come back with this, a high quality realistic mockup for our ebook. We can even create different variations. For example, I'm going to type, please can you create a high quality mockup for my ebook? The book should be flat on a desk in front of a computer with a cup of coffee next to it. Here is the ebook cover. This is what ChatGPT has generated. We can customize the prompt so the mockup is exactly how we would like it. That's all we have for this video on creating ebook mockups in ChatGPT. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.